And I'll be using my glasses. This is my glasses. Let me just try it on. Yeah, I'll be going with the glasses. So let me just use perf. I guess I'll be using this. I don't know if you guys can see it. It smells so good. So I'll be using this on me. I love smelling good. And I'll also be using this. I always mix my perf, like always. I mix them up. Who puts spray on their body? I put spray on my clothes. I don't like putting them on my skin. The only place I can put is here, but I don't like putting it on my neck. So yeah, this is how I'll be going. I guess I'll look for a way to show you guys my full outfit. I'll show you guys my full outfit when I'm outside, but I'm just like this with my blue bag. Yeah, my blue bag. This here. I'm using just a blue purse. I'm wearing a blue jean. I don't know, you guys cannot really like, let me stand. You guys can, there's no way you can see me. I'm wearing just a blue jeans and this Ankara jacket. And yeah, I'll see if I can show you guys my full outfit. I guess let me just come out. Hi guys, so we are on our way out now. Yeah, we are going to Ikea. It's a store where they sell curtains and house things. So we are just driving. My friend, but she said she doesn't want to show her face. She said she's looking anyhow. I don't know how she's looking. Let me show you her pink veil. No, I'm showing you. This is her pink veil.
I'm looking very tired.
She said she's looking very tired. I don't know what she did last night that she's looking very tired. But anyway, we are on our way. So when we get there, I'll show you guys the store. She wants to renovate her house, like everything, like from the rug, from the wall, everything. So I just let me just carry you guys along. I hope you guys will enjoy this vlog. See ya at the store. Mwah. Just jam packed. We're still here. We are still on the road. We're supposed to arrive 10. It was supposed to be 10:17, right? But because of the traffic, now we are going to arrive. Okay, we're supposed to arrive 10:20 something. Okay. Yeah, but now we are getting there 10:33. Hopefully, before they will now come and increase it, because there's so many trucks on the road. Let me show you guys. Like, see. Making me to remember Lagos Island. Lagos is making me to remember Lagos 3rd Maryland Bridge. Like this, how trucks are always on the way and all that. But that side is free.
But it's showing 8 minutes here.
Yeah.
So hopefully we get there.
So we are here, and I just said let me just talk to you guys and show my face. We are still on the way. I think the next time I will vlog now. I'll vlog when we are there. Okay. For now. This is where we are. We are stopped. It's not even moving. Hey, traffic in Germany. Obodo Ibo.
You have reached your destination.
That's where we are going. We are going to Ikea. You guys can see the signpost, right? So we just have to look for a way and park. Yeah. See my sweetheart. Cutie. Zagma, hello. Hello. Hello, chat. Yeah, he's laughing. My cute baby. Morgan. Good morning. I'm just seeing you for today. Come out, okay? Here, your schnola chat. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy, okay? You brought it out? the ladder to Baba Jesus. So we're going out to go and check. We're going out to go and check the curtains. Yeah. We have to buy rug, curtains. We have to change the wall. Yeah, let's see how it goes. So let's go to the curtain section. See you guys. Let's go on a date. Binta, let's go on a date. Can you just sit down? Wow, this is nice. Who is taking me on the date? Who is taking me out on a date? I love this. My friend is a businesswoman. She's already like calculating things to euros so that she can buy and ship. Actually, we're thinking of this time, like, but it's nice. It's 40. It's nice. It's 40 euro. But by the time you now send it to Nigeria, like when you change it to naira, it will be so high. But if you buy it to sell it, you can see the price here, 39 euro. Like that's like 40 euro. That's when you change it. It's over like close to. It's like 25,000 naira. But I think 25,000 naira.
No, how much do you not sell it in Nigeria? Because you have to consider shipping and everything. So at the time you don't ship it and then sell it, it will be too expensive.
If we sell it for 30,000 naira, is that too much? Like
so
if
how
we
much
buy
is
it.
delivery? How can you sell it for 30,000 naira? How much are you taking it to Nigeria?
So 30,000 naira is still low.
Shipping this thing to Nigeria will be more than 5,000.
You see why I don't like doing business? Because if I'm doing business, I'll give my business a woof.
Because even shipping it to Nigeria will be more than 5,000.
You see?
That will be 30,000.
You see? Me, I'm already saying I'll sell it for 30,000. But my friend is a businesswoman and she knows very well that 30,000 naira is not good.
If it is DHL, at least it will cost you 15,000 or 20.
Yeah, because it's iron. Like shipping it will be so heavy. I understand. Doing business, especially if you're in Germany, like we have so many things we want to buy and ship home, but by the time you change the money, it's just it's too much. People won't really like price it well. They won't price it well. I remember then when we were always buying plates, that we went to buy black plates. That Papa refused to eat with it. See the black plates here. It has broken. Oh guys, there's a story. You see these black plates behind us? Me and my friend, we came here, we now saw them. That's how we now love the black plates. Let me show you guys. Then I'll complete the story. Look at them. They are so beautiful. So when we now saw those black plates down, me and my friend, we bought the plates. Like my friend that's with me. My husband refused eating with it, that he cannot eat in black plates. That he doesn't know why of all colors. It's black plates that I'll go and buy. Her husband as well refused to eat with the black plates. They all refuse to eat with black plates. That why we will go and buy black plates. Funny enough is that all the plates are even broken. Like my own, everything has broken. Your own too?
No, I have one left.
Her own too. They are broken. She just have one left. And I so much love that black plates. Like they are so beautiful and everything. I don't know why our men refuse to eat from it. Which one?
This white one too. Okay, so this white one. Which one is?
Check
10
on that.
pounds. Oh, say 10 pounds. Which one?
Okay, 10 euro. They're actually nice.
They're actually nice. What is which one?
See guys, when it comes to kitchen things, one thing me and my friend we can buy for Africa is plates. We can buy plates. We will just see plate, we'll say, oh, it's so beautiful, it's so pretty. You will see us buying plates. I don't know why. Plates. Plate and pot, we like buying pot too, but we are more addicted to plate. Mama, after plate, even cups. Do you remember glass cup?
Even
Glass cup. Plate and glass cup. We can still buy plate and glass cup so well. I don't know. We are just so. You want to pick plates? See her. She's already picking plates. We didn't come for plates, so she's already picking plates. Maybe she will even do me too. I will join her and pick plates, but I reject every spirit of joining her to pick plates. I reject it in the mighty name of Jesus Christ. Let me show you guys that black plate. Let me quickly show you guys. So cute. The plate is so nice. The black plate. See, look at them here. See how beautiful they look. See it here. We bought complete set though. Very nice. See, so pretty. Very nice. This is like the whole set. This is the whole set. There are 4 inside. Our men refused to eat inside. And why did we buy black plates? Oh my good God. You are still picking black plates? What color is that? Gray? Gray and black is the same thing. No. My friend wants to pick gray plate again. Gray and black is the same thing. People are buying clothes. We are buying plates because they are nice. But they are nice. I even love the way they pack it and everything. They are really nice. Let's go and check the cotton now. It's everything. Cotton. Yeah. Let's not even go to the cup section. Please. Let us not just go there. You see those cup section? We are not going there. We are not entering there. Mama, don't look. Don't look. Please don't look. Let's just be going quietly. Hey, Mama, see these pots.
Somebody that is saying don't.
Come, let's go. No, let's go. Like, we are going. But why are we even here?
No, we're supposed to go straight.
Okay.
Yeah.
We are going this way. Sweetheart. So we are actually in the cotton section, which is what we are looking for now. So we just have to like look for the cotton that we go with the rug. Yeah, so that's what we are doing now. We'll just look for the cotton. This is the cotton area. So let's go, guys. So we are done with the rug. My friend wants to pick bed sheets. I say rug, sorry, with the cotton. Yeah, even rug as well. Even rug. No. I've not seen 220. This is 160. So now we are looking for bed sheet, but we are looking for the big one. This 180. So we need 2 floors. The one for the king bed, as in king size. Just so tired. I picked some flower. My friend is looking for all those scent flower that when you put in your room they will really smell. We are where they are selling all these candles and everything. But me, I picked a flower, but the one she's looking for, she has not seen it, so she's looking for it. So we are done. We are just going to go and like pay, and then we'll be going. Like, we are outside finally. Yeah, where? Yeah, I think the white's not right. I don't even know where the car is.
No, I think we passed it.
Is it the other side?
It's not here.
We're always looking for our car. Like, we're always looking for car. Or anywhere we park, we always look for it. What's that? So guys, thank you guys so much for coming with us. I guess I'll be ending this vlog here. This is us saying thank you so much for coming to shop with us, and we'll be seeing you next in our video. Please like, share, and if you are new, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Vanessa and I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Germany. I'm always excited whenever I'm ending my video. Feel free to like, share, subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next video. Bye. Mama, say bye. Your voice alone. Bye. She has said bye. She's even saying see you next time. Ciao.